Hey guys, welcome technical video here. Today in this video I'll be talking about one of the most useful app for your iPhone user. So every iOS user should have this application. It is really helpful. So the app name is Image Search and Image Downloader. If you go to App Store and go and download the app. So now let's see how the app works and what does this app does. So now once you open the application, there is a simple layout, just a search tab. So now what does this app does is, so whenever you want to search any image or any image you want to search from Google, just open the application and just type the image name here. For example, now I'll be using iPhone wallpaper. So whenever you search or type any name and search for it, it will go through entire Google and bring all the images from Google here. If you see, these are all the images from your Google in one application. So there is no need of going to Google or opening any browser and searching the images. Just type the image name here and it will show you all the images from the Google. So now to save the image, just swipe down. So there is simple technique. If you want to save the image to camera roll, just swipe down the image, and if you don't want to save the image, just swipe up. So for the next image, just swipe up, and to save to camera roll, just swipe down. For example, if you see here, just swipe up to reject the image. To save, just swipe down. To reject, swipe up. To save, swipe down. Like that, it is very simple, and all our images HD images. If you want to save, just swipe down. Similarly, if you don't want to do swiping, just go to grid option. Okay, at right side top corner, grid option. It will display all the images in a single screen. So now here, just do one thing. Just choose the images which you want to save. Okay, just go ahead and tap on the images and directly click on save option. So it will directly save to your camera roll. If you see here, there are multiple images. Just go ahead and click on save. Here, choose the album from a camera roll. Just go ahead and photo app. If you do that, now go back and search the camera roll. It will be saved to your camera roll very easily. And all are HD images which are saved to your camera roll. So now if you open the camera roll, open that, and here see there are all images saved in your camera roll from the application. And if you zoom them, they are all the HD images for free. So guys, if you want, you can search or type any name and download to your devices. So here all image HD images and which are completely free. So whichever image you want to download, just go ahead, open the application, type the name, it will give a best image from the Google. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope it will help you, and if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iOS tips and tricks and iOS apps and games. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.